My name is Shekhar Sanyal and I am the country head and director for the IET in India. I am excited to invite you to the Future Tech Congress next week. I am looking forward to listening to over 65 leaders from more than 30 plus industries talk about how AI, blockchain and digital twin will change our future. Policymakers from the government and leaders from academia will be present. Technology roadmaps of tomorrow will be created. Close to 150 business leaders will network during the Achievement Awards evening, which will also feature Funnyman CEO Atul Khatri. Sir Robin Saxby, tech visionary, will deliver the super keynote address. If you are not at the Future Tech Congress, you will be missing the most important confluence of tech leaders in the region. Join me at the IET Future Tech Congress to experience the future.